Hello, this is Jennifer Bone, Reference Librarian at the Belleville Campus Library for Southwestern Illinois College. Today we're going to show you some resources that can help you with your History of Religion class. The first thing you can do is go to swic.edu, www.swic.edu. To get to the library webpage from the front page of the college, hover over Student Services and you'll see Library in the drop-down menu. Once you land on the library page, you can scroll down underneath the picture and you'll see there's a blue ribbon that runs right underneath it. If you need to contact me, Jennifer Bone, or the other full-time librarian at Belleville, Samantha Rogers, you can click on Contact Us and you will see our phone numbers and our email addresses readily available. You can copy and paste it into an email to us and we're always happy to answer your questions. Now going back to the front page of the library, we do have a special guide that we created for the History of Religion. To find it, scroll down the page towards the bottom till you see some columns. To find the History of Religion information, go to the second set of columns underneath Course Guide. Underneath Course Guide, you will see a heading for World Religions. If you click on that, you will see the guide that lays out all the different religions as they are listed in your textbook. You'll see on the left-hand side, here's a menu of how the chapters are arranged in your textbook. On the front page, you will see basic information on how to request books. You'll see a very large gallery of all the different types of books we have on religion. Underneath that, you'll have a link to the Future of World Religions, which is the web page. And then below that, you'll have some web resources about just the study of religions and then the different areas, Native American, African, Hinduism, and they all have links that are good, reliable information on that particular topic. So please feel free to come here and explore the links on this page. To look at the more detailed books on religion, you can go on the left-hand side and select one. It'll take you to a page dedicated to that particular religion. They will have a video in the top of the page and sometimes on the left-hand side. As you scroll down, you will see the books that are located at SWIC Library, either at the Belleville, Granite, or Redbud Campus Library. Any of these can be requested for you and held at the front desk. You'll see that the location is listed right before the call number. If you come into the library, you can check these books out for 4 weeks. All you have to have is your plastic student ID card to check out material and take it home with you. So know that checking out library material is free and you can extend your time with a book. We call it renewing by just stopping by and letting us know or going online to the library catalog to get it. Now some folks might not like to use books for a report, but please know that you can always just use a couple of pages from each book and you might be able to get the best information possible. If you need a citation for a book, if you click on the title, it'll take you to our library catalog, and you can easily grab the citation by clicking on the quotation marks and selecting the citation format of your choice. Once you've selected your citation, you can copy the citation to the clipboard and put it in your works cited page. So just know that it's free and it's easy, and all of these books are arranged for you. Now on the main page of the library, we're going to scroll up a little bit and we're going to show you the search widget. The search widget is this blue rectangle located right here, and this is how you can find resources on your topic. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to start with the Find Facts tab. This is a place where you can go to look up your topic and about 1,000 reference sources. And a reference source is like an encyclopedia or a dictionary. So if you like using Wikipedia, this might be a good choice for you. So let's look up a topic. I'm going to type in Judaism. It's going to prompt you to log in with your eStorm username and password. And that's to just authenticate that you are a SWIC student using some SWIC resources. It's going to take you to this source called Credo Reference at the top. And then it's going to show you these little entries that are coming from the different books, like the Columbia Encyclopedia or this one from the New Encyclopedia of Judaism. To actually read the entire entry, This one is 2,800 words. You can click on the link and you can see this entire entry, which is all facts about this particular religion and might have some great information that can really add to your paper. If you'd like to keep this information with you and not have to search it, they have a share link. When you click on the share link, you can have them email the full text along with the MLA citation to any email address that you would like. You just have to enter your name and your email address and then enter your email address again and click go. So it's free, it's easy, and it's open 24 hours a day. Now if you go back to the main page, sometimes when you're writing a paper, you might get stuck and need to add a little bit more information, but you don't know what to add. Come to the front page and look at the mind map. This might help you kind of do some additional research, and you can click on any of these terms that are connected with the major term in the middle, and you'll see that that term becomes the middle, and that all of the entries on the left have changed. So I can go back to the New Encyclopedia of Judaism and click on Rabbi and use that information as well. So know that this is free, it's easy, and it's quick. And then also there is related searches over here, and you can always click on these terms as well. So that's one really valuable source for your papers. I'm going to click that tab closed. We're going to move to the article tab. Now the article tab has 4 research databases that we contract with. And a research database is actually a company that has access to millions of articles. The 2 that will serve you really well are EBSCO and JSTOR. So we're going to start with the EBSCO first, so you'll see that dot is filled in. And what we can type in is Native American. And then I'm going to do and religion, because I really want to make sure my articles are about Native Americans and religion. And I'm going to click go. You will see that I have found a big results page for Native American religion. I have 2,000 results. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm looking at these articles and they look really great. Now, one thing I can do, I can see they might be separating Native American, maybe, maybe not. And so sometimes what I like to do is to make sure I keep the words Native American together. I'm going to put quotation marks and then click search. You'll see that I've reduced the number to 1,700, but all of these should be about Native American religions. To look at the articles, go ahead and click on the links that are located underneath. You'll see the article comes up and looks exactly how it was published. If I wanted to take it with me, I can see that there are tools on the right-hand side. I can save it to the cloud. I can choose to email. And you'll see here's the article right here. If I want to download it on my computer, I can use this download button on the black ribbon. And if I wanted to print it, I could use this printer right here. I like using the email button because I can put in any email address. I'm going to send the PDF file. It will also send an HTML, just a text file. I'm going to uncheck that and just keep my PDF. And I can also select the citation format. Then I can just click send and have that content waiting in my email. If you don't see it in your general email box, check your junk box, because sometimes the email servers feel that this might be junk, but it's not. It's really great information. So know that you can come in here and look up things in our library catalog. If you want to look for more about the same type of topic, sometimes you can click on the title and look at some of these subject terms. They can be helpful as you're looking for other articles. So I can see I did type in Native Americans and religion, so I'm being pretty successful with what I type in. But I can also come over here on the left and look at the subject thesaurus term and kind of look at all the other topics that might come up. I do have some that are just tagged with Native American religion, 238 articles, so I can always check that box and say, let's check those out. Now, if you find some that don't have a link to the full text, please know that you can always send us an email. You can just copy and paste the information right here, or if you click on the title, you can just email us directly by putting our email address in here and putting your email address in the from. That means that we can go out and find that article for you somewhere and send it directly to your email address. That's a free service that we offer. So you can search any topic that you'd like in JSTOR. The same thing can be said as if you go, or in EBSCO, we can go to JSTOR next. and we can type in a topic, Shintoism. You'll see it will bring up articles on the religion as well. If you'd like to keep any of these, you can find your citation over here on the right, and you can click on the download button, and you can instantly have access to the article. So it's free and readily available. So know that this is a secondary place where you can come and find content for your paper. So give both those databases a try. And the last place I want to show you is how to find books and movies. There are two places. The first place is just the library catalog. Now, since you have that library guide, it's going to actually show you a lot of the books that we have available just using that library guide that we saw on the bottom part of the page in the course guide area. But if we come up here and we click on books and movies and we type in a topic like the Baha'i religion, you'll see that right here, you can see all those books on that religion right here, and there will also be possibly some online books on that particular topic. The campus is clearly identified as well as the call number, but we can go over to the left and say, can we see the ones that are available online? And you will get access to books that you can just click right here and look at available online. So know that that is an option as well. If you can't come to campus, that might be a place that you would go. Now, the last place I want to show you is that you can come to, if you go to a new tab, a resource that not all students know about is Google Books. Now, with Google Books, just type in Google Books and click on the link. From here, you can type in any religion. And you will see, I'm going to make this a little bigger because Google always makes it so tiny, but you will see that you have access to things as well. Now, these books will just show large previews, but know that any of these books that your SWIC library can get sent here for you for free. It just takes 3 days. So if I wanted to look inside this book, I can click on Preview. I can take a look inside the book and see what chapters might be available. I can just scroll through to the table of contents. If I wanted to search for a term in here, I could type in relationship, and it'll show me all the pages that might have that word on it, and I can click on that to get to that particular page. If I needed the citation for this particular book because I do want to reference this paragraph or pull some facts from it, I can click this X right here, and on this page that's behind that reader, I can click on Create Citation and copy and paste the citation wherever I need it to go. So know that this is a free source that's available. If the chapter that you want from a particular book is unavailable, always know that your library can get any book that you'd like, and it's absolutely free. So we're always happy to do that for you. It's a service that we love to provide. So please know that if you have any questions or you need any help at all, please know that you can reach out to your librarians. We're your super nerds forever. So go ahead and click on the Contact Us in the blue bar right underneath the picture. And remember, Jennifer and Samantha are always happy to help. Happy researching!